take 5,000. Hey YouTube, thanks for showing up today. I'd like to thank everyone and Joe from Ohio Woodburner and everyone that's come over from that channel to check out what we do with that Burl. It's been on Joe's channel for about a year. It's at the house now. It's sitting out. It's go dry up. We're going to get it sawed up. I'm looking for a sawmill to do it. Got a couple emails. We're going to get going. For those that are new here and are not subscribed, go down right out there. Click that subscribe. Maybe it's in that corner. Maybe it's that corner. But click that subscribe, ring the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. If you can, leave a comment. Say you came over from Joe's channel. I'd appreciate it. We will be doing some firewood here soon. We will be working on that Burl soon. We have to get a few things straight in the shop, get it all straight and nice and clean and safe again. And we're going to start working on that. We're going to keep the sheep sheeping. We're going to keep the goats goating and the chickens chickening. Until then, hang around, see what happens. All right, now with the show. YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. Couple things going on today. We have a lamb that's getting ready to go. She won't stay in, so she's out of here. And this is why that lamb will be going away. All the birds need to be fed. We also sent 2 lambs out for processing. Yesterday they went out and we should have them back probably next weekend. It was, I believe, 57's boy, and there was another one that Melody got at auction, which is actually the brother of the one that keeps breaking out. He was a wool sheep, which I don't want to keep wool sheeps because I don't want to shear. I don't. And it was kind of a 2-for-1 sale on that couple, and she's just never put on size. He put on a little bit of size, but they're done. But let's take a little walk and we'll see what else we can find. Well, you can see here the new lamb is laying down. They're all kind of laying down in some shade. Lydia named the new lamb Joey because he was hopping around and she likes kangaroos, so the name is Joey. We have a couple others that are clearly pregnant and getting close to going. They are laying in the sun, to be honest, so I'm not going to put them on. But sheep are sheeping, doing what they do. That's right, folks. He's a big dumb animal. Catching some shade. There's a statue doing what he does. Goats are eating. Chickens like goat feed too. So the 2 boys are going to be leaving hopefully soon in the next few months. And Betty, I will probably give her to someone. Betty's old. She's a melatonic. And all her joints are pretty bad shape. So I've trimmed her hooves and tried to work on it before. And I got some of her knock knee out from that, but it is what it is. But she's a good goat. She's very personable, so kind of hate to send her off to the meat processor. But the 2 boys are going. They should be hopefully in September or October. We'll find out. Well, amongst my mess over here on the side yard, got a pile of logs. They're getting pretty dry. A lot of bark falling off. Need to be splitting this stuff here. Get ready for winter. Thinking we're going to use about 6 cords this year. We'll see. It's wild grape plant. I forgot to trim it back this year, but it came in. Let's see what we can find in here, if anything. Oh, there's a bunch of grapes. The birds usually will get a lot of it. Oh my. But yeah, there's a lot of grapes this year. Holy smokes. A lot of grapes. All right, so we're over here by the apple tree, the lone apple tree that's left. There's one more over there, but I gotta cut it down. That will turn into firewood. The little guy, Joey, I'm gonna see how he grows and see what happens. I'll probably ban him probably here sometime shortly. Junior, or not Junior, Junior's our ram. Dude, we have him. We were gonna say him for certain ones, but we're not sure now. And we're kind of thinking about, we can still ban him and just have him as a stable buddy for the ram. If we keep them intact, then we can kind of move things around and keep Junior on the farm. But pretty much after this season, this breeding season, Junior's gone. There's Joey, the dates kind of put it to where he could be juniors, he could not be juniors. I'm pretty sure that he isn't. But I'm gonna see how he grows. If he grows up pretty nice, we might keep him as a ram, but I doubt it. More than likely, I will ban him. And we will probably process him out later this year. Probably in the November, December time. Or I might actually keep him, ban him, and then take him to market and have a Christmas lamb for sale, which he should have decent weight on at that time. But that's kind of where we are right now. A lot of little things going on, a lot of things that need to be done, a lot of things I haven't done this year. I've just been too busy at work and other things going on, so I haven't got much done around the homestead, farmstead, wherever you say, wherever you want to call it. But right now my main goal is to get the shop back in order. We're going to get that Burl cut. We're going to get it dried. We might, if it's a little high on the percentage of moisture, I might turn stuff, but I'll leave it big and let it dry with it turned. You know, and what you do is you turn it and you package it back up with the wood chips that you cut off of it, and it helps it dry out. And it will warp, it'll crack a little bit, but that's the risk we're going to take. Most of that stuff needs to have resin in it. There's cracks all over that burl. So it's not a high quality burl, but it's a very nice looking burl. I think it'll make some great stuff to be sold at auction for good causes. And we'll see what happens there. But I think that's it for today. We'll have more coming up soon. And I will see you again here at the Chicken Ranch Homestead.